Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. If you find this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your colleagues and coworkers. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the safety topic. This week's safety topic is on situational awareness. And I found this at Safety Talk Ideas that's found in the Raken construction app. Pretty good app, check it out. Now, situational awareness. Due to the dynamic nature of many workplaces, there can be many hazards present in a given moment that can injure employees. While pre-planning and implementing safeguards can mitigate many of the hazards involved in the work, it is still critical that employees maintain situational awareness to prevent injuries. Now, what is situational awareness? Situational awareness can be defined in several ways. One definition is situational awareness involves being aware of what's happening in the vicinity to understand how information, events, and one's own actions will impact goals and objectives, both immediately and in the near future. Now, research has shown that lacking or inadequate situational awareness has been identified as one of the primary factors in accidents attributed to human error. Now, here's some examples of how situational can prevent injury. Having situational awareness can keep you and your coworkers safe. This is because you're aware of what is occurring around you and have the foresight to be able to recognize any issues as they arise. Some examples of situational awareness being utilized in the workplace would be staying out of the line of fire. Being in the line of fire means being in harm's way. A line of fire is present anytime the path of a moving object or force intersects with a person's body. An employee with situational awareness does not put him or herself in these positions. And then there's speaking to a coworker about an unsafe action. Everyone will not necessarily be directly affected by the decision of a coworker to take risk, but an employee with situational awareness can see what may occur if the behavior continues. Recognizing the negative possibilities resulting from the unsafe behavior and speaking up can prevent a serious injury from occurring. And then there's stopping work to make adjustments. Things do not always go as planned. Adjustments are necessary to make work tasks safer and to get them done efficiently. Employees with strong situational awareness will recognize when it's necessary to stop work and make changes to improve the safety and efficiency of their work. In summary, situational awareness is critical when working in a fast-paced, ever-changing environment. While it is not to be relied on in place of elimination of hazards or mitigation hazards using engineering controls, it is an important tool in injury prevention. After all, you are your best resource in preventing injury. Now, here's a discussion point to have with your team. What is an example of how the lack of situational awareness can result in injury for a worker here at our site? All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field. All right, situational awareness. Boy, things are going on around us all the time on the job site. Equipment moving, people moving, there's scaffolding, ladders, flying debris, demolition work, installation work, people working from scissor lifts, all kinds of things that we need to be aware of as we do our work on a daily basis. So, take this into consideration as you go about your daily basis and talk to your guys, your team members, about situational awareness and all those things involved with it. Remember that this video can be used as Toolbox safety topic training on your job site for your team. Just remember to have a sign-in sheet, reference this video, or I've got several, I think 300 and something videos. Use one of those, or look on the internet and find another safety video that more closely matches the hazards on your job site. Just make sure that you note what video you watched. Have your guys sign it and date it, and have some discussion. That becomes a document that you can submit to OSHA to show that you do training and hazard awareness, hazard mitigation, and for your team, for your job site, and for your company. If you have a specific video you'd like for me to make, just leave something in the comments down below, and I'll get to it as quickly as possible. If you have a specific safety question that you have, leave that in the comments down below, and I'll make sure that get you some references on that, and we can have further discussions to make sure you're clear on it, and we'll noodle it out together so that you can transmit that information to your team to ensure their safety on the job site. Anyway, I think that's it. I might drop in a couple of those Easter eggs. I need to get out and do some more Easter egg hunting, so to say. But anyway, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. Stop recording.